Do you remember this meme? It came out back in 2015. That was the same year the iPhone 6 was released. Feels like yesterday, doesn't it? You blink, and an entire decade disappears. You blink again, and all the plans you made, all the promises like, "This is the year I finally do it," are still sitting there, untouched. And it's not just you. A lot of people have silently lost the most valuable 10 years of their lives. This video isn't here to make you panic about wasted time. It's here to wake you up, to show you the 4 cores that will shape your next decade. Because by the end of this video, I promise your perspective on life, time, and money will change for good. Core 1. Your reality starts in your mind. Everything that exists in the physical world, the chair you're sitting on, the building you work in, the app on your phone, all of it began as a single thought in someone's mind. Which means, thoughts aren't nothing. They're the starting point of something big, whether that's your life, your career, or your financial future. So, why do so many people still struggle with money and life, even though they think about it every single day? The answer lies in their inner dialogue. Someone might want to be wealthy, want freedom, want a better life, but deep down, they quietly believe, it's not the right time. Getting rich is too hard. I'm not good enough. If that's what's running in the background, how can they notice the opportunities right in front of them? How can they take the actions that actually lead to wealth? Your thoughts shape your language shapes your feelings shape your daily habits, and your habits, of course, shape your income and the quality of your life. It's a chain reaction you can't escape. So start by picturing the life you want where you live, the work you do, the skills you're proud of, and how you want to feel every morning. And more importantly, change the way you talk to yourself. A negative statement shuts everything down. I'll never be rich. Game over. But the moment you ask, how can I become wealthier? Your brain switches on. It starts scanning for solutions, opportunities, connections, the same survival mechanism that helped humans evolve for thousands of years. Core 2. Career, work and passion. Principle A. The 5 to 9 revolution. If your 9 to 5 is draining you, then the hours from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. are your escape route. That's your window to explore alternatives, experiment with new skills, and build a different future for yourself. Use free online courses, YouTube tutorials, weekend projects. Just 30 minutes a day turns into 182 hours a year. Over 10 years, that's 1,820 hours. With 1,820 hours of deliberate learning, you can become skilled in almost anything. You can go from accountant to data scientist, from office worker to coder. You can learn marketing, negotiation, investing, whatever opens new doors. Give it 1 year, and you'll surprise yourself. Give it 10, and you'll become a completely different person with opportunities your current self can't even imagine. Let yourself be curious again, like a kid. Somewhere along the trial and error journey, you'll stumble onto something that lights you up, and when you find it, invest in it. Because passion compounds even faster than interest in the bank. Principle B. Skill stacking. You don't need to be the best in the world at one thing. Instead, aim to be in the top 25% in 2 or 3 different skills and combine them. For example, a great programmer is normal. A great public speaker is normal, but a programmer who can present brilliantly and sell their ideas? That combination is rare and incredibly valuable. Identify your core skill and ask yourself, what skill could I add that would instantly double my value? Core 3. The 4 inputs that shape your entire life. People say you're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. That's true, but in today's world, it's not the whole picture. Now, you are the average of everything you consume. There are 4 types of input that will completely shape who you become in the next decade. First, information. What do you read every day? Are you feeding your mind with clickbait headlines and pointless online drama, or with books, articles, and ideas that can actually change your life? Cut down on gossip and outrage content. Replace it with books, podcasts, and deep dive articles about your industry, money, psychology, things that help you grow. Second, people. Who do you spend your time talking to? People who complain about everything, or people who are actively building a better future? You're the average of the 5 people you hang out with the most, may be an old line, but it's never been more true. Third, energy. Do your daily habits drain you or recharge you? An evening of mindless scrolling will wipe you out, while 30 minutes of reading or taking a walk can completely reset your mind. And finally, environment. Does your workspace inspire you? Does your social media feed add any real value? Is the rhythm of your daily life pushing you forward or quietly holding you back? Design an environment that supports your growth, not one that slows you down. Core 4. Practical financial principles. In personal finance, there are 3 identity types. Let's see which one you fall into. 1. The spender. This person spends money to feel full. The excitement of buying something feels great, for about 5 minutes. Then the emptiness comes back along with an empty wallet. 2. The saver. This person saves money to feel safe. Their cash sits in a savings account, slowly losing value to inflation. 3. The builder. This person uses money as a tool. They buy assets, invest in skills, and create income machines that work for them. Shifting from being a spender or a saver to becoming a builder is the turning point. It's the moment you stop working for money and money starts working for you. Here are the core principles that help you move toward becoming a builder. 1. Learn the language of money. You can't win a game if you don't understand the rules. Here are a few must-know concepts. Net worth. Your total assets minus your total debt. Your goal is simple. Make this number go up every year. Equity. This is the real difference between being an employee and being an owner. Own something, company, stock, real estate, or even your own business. Real wealth comes from ownership, not paychecks. Opportunity cost. The price of the next best choice you gave up. Buying a luxury car today means losing the chance to invest that same money and let it grow. 2. Learn how to negotiate. Almost everything in life is negotiable. Groceries, services, subscriptions, even a home purchase. A successful salary negotiation alone can add tens of thousands of dollars to your lifetime income. Ask questions. The right question at the right moment can save you money, save you time, and open doors you didn't even know existed. 3. Build multiple streams of income. Never rely on just one source of income. Start a small side business, or invest in dividend-paying stocks, or write an ebook, or create an online course. Even an extra few $100s a month creates a safety cushion and accelerates your financial journey. 10 years. That's long enough for someone to go from broke to a millionaire, long enough for a complete beginner to become a true expert. So, if the last decade slipped by and your life didn't change much, don't drown in regret. Think of it as Chapter 1. Right now, you're holding the pen for Chapter 2, and you can write the rest of your story 10 times better. So the real question is, what's the first move you're going to make? Your next decade starts right now with the decision you make today. If this brought you value, hit like and subscribe so we can continue building a life worth living, together. Thank you for watching.